Hello everyone, welcome to Learn European Portuguese Online. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mariana, or Mia, as all my friends and students call me. It's a bit easier, so feel free to call me Mia as well. I've been a teacher for Portuguese for the last 10 years. I have a lot of experience, and I started building my website www.learn-portuguese.org already for more than a year. And I somehow, when I started researching for my website, I realized that there are a lot of Portuguese materials out there, but not so much in the European Portuguese variation. And a lot of my students asked me, where can I find materials online? So therefore, I started creating this idea that I wanted to really build this website, and I wanted to give materials for free. And now also I decided to develop my own course, my own Portuguese course online. So what can you expect with this course? I posted 2 days ago the first lecture of the A1 level. And my goal is to continue posting lectures as the time goes, to go from the A1 level up to the C2 level. You can do these lectures if you want to learn Portuguese, but you don't have a teacher near you, or you don't want to pay for online classes because they can be quite expensive. So in this 1 hour lecture, the first lecture of my A1 course, I give you the basics, and I try to answer some interesting questions that I always hear my students asking me. So for example, why is it eu sou de Lisboa, I'm from Lisbon, but you say eu sou do Porto, to say I am from Porto. So in English it's the same, from and from. But in Portuguese, we have de Lisboa, but we have do Porto. So I try to answer those and some other questions. I also will help you to conjugate some of the main important verbs. I will speak about introducing yourself, the nationalities, the numbers, and many other things that you will need in your everyday life when you want to speak to other Portuguese speakers. So this is just, as I said, just the first lecture of many others that I will be uploading to my website. I also will try to be there for you. This means that if you purchase my course, I will try to answer your questions. Also, I will look at your feedback, and I will always try to improve. So I really hope that you take the time to do this course, and I really hope with this that I can take Portuguese to more people, and I am really looking forward to hearing from you. So please don't be a stranger, just drop me a line if you have any questions, and I will try to answer them. All right, bye bye.